Assalamu alaikum junior 1, how are you all? Beta, it's your Nexus English grammar time, so please open your Nexus grammar page number 10, 11. Yesterday I told you about two sounds of C, that C has two sounds. One sound is like that of K and the other sound of C is like that of S. बेटा K की जो C की जो साउंड है उसकी एक जो साउंड आती है वो आती है के की तरह और जो दूसरी साउंड उसकी आती है वो है एस की तरह, लेकिन इन दोनों साउंड्स में जो फर्स्ट लेटर है वो सी ही यूज़ होता है. I hope you have completed exercise A on your book. Now let's start exercise B. Speak each word, write the sound of its C under it. बेटा नीचे दिए हुए तमाम वर्ड्स को पढ़ना है और उसके बाद आपने बताना है कि वो C की कौन सी साउंड है, K साउंड है या S साउंड है. Let's start. Call. C-A-L-L, call. First letter is C, but the sound of C is like that of K. Call. K. Cell. Cell. First letter of cell is C, but the sound of C is like that of S. Cell. Coil. Coil. K sound. Cut. C-U-T. Cut. K sound. Sight. C-I-T-E. Sight. S sound. Cat. C-A-T. Cat. K sound. Scent. C-E-N-T. Scent. Scent. S sound. Come. C-O-M-E. Come. K sound. Care. C-A-R-E. Care. K sound. Crow. C-R-O-W. Crow. K sound. Center. C-E-N-T-R-E. Center. The first letter of center is C, but the sound of C is S. Center. Curd. C-U-R-D. Curd. And the sound of curd is C is K. Beta, do this on your book page number 11 part B and also practice this page on a rough copy. Alright, take good care of yourself. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.